So today we're going to be talking about derma rollers and why it's very important to get them done in a medical office. First of all, let's go ahead and talk about what a derma roller is. So a derma roller is a device that we use to help with fine lines and wrinkles, to help stimulate collagen, to help the elasticity with your skin, and it can also benefit with other things as well, like acne scarring. I'll go ahead and I'll show you what a derma roller looks like. So here in office we have a 1.5 millimeters. It's a little device like this. It has a whole bunch of needles all the way around, and then the provider who knows how to use it, who's trained to do so, go ahead and rolls it on the skin. Now I know that online you can buy them to use on your own, or there's a lot of videos online to do them on your own, although I would caution you not to do so because there's a lot of side effects on doing it if you don't know what you're doing properly. You can cause hyperpigmentation, you can cause scarring, you can get an infection because you're not having a sterile environment, and you don't want to do that because it's just going to make everything worse that you're trying to make better. You can always just come into the office. It's really easy. We apply topical numbing so you don't feel it because it can feel, it's a little painful. You feel like a little poking on the skin, but the topical numbing helps so you don't feel anything at all. Although if you got topical numbing at home and you apply it, not knowing exactly how deep you're going can be very dangerous as well because you're just going to cause trauma to the skin, which, like I said earlier, can just cause scarring and infection, and you don't want to do that. If you have any questions about derma rollers, or if you want to schedule to see if you qualify to get one, go ahead and call us at 760-423-4000. I also want to mention, we want to know what you guys want to watch, whether it be medical videos, cosmetic videos. Leave it in the comment section below. Like our page on Facebook, subscribe to our channel on YouTube so you know when we put those videos out, and then we can get back to you guys with the content that you want to see. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.